In many ways, public speaking is the number one. Public speaking is the number one skill that you need to master so that you can master your industry. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Benjamin, author of the book Stand Up for Your Dream. So today I'm going to talk about what I call why should we learn public speaking. Listen carefully. Why should we learn public speaking? Most people, if you ask them, do you like public speaking? Do you like to go there and address and share the idea, the knowledge, the experience that you have? Some people, they say, kill me, all right? Kill me, but don't ask me to go there and speak. But in many ways, public speaking is the number one. Public speaking is the number one skills that you need to master so that you can master your industry. So that you can, you can dominate your industry by using this only one skills which I call is the most and the best and the highest paid skills that you can ever learn. By the way, if you look at what let's say education system that is doing, we go to school, we learn mathematics, we learn how to read, we learn how to write, but how do we learn public speaking, which is the most and the best skills like everyone must have? I don't know about you, but I have never crossed during my 20 years, listen carefully, during my 20 years in school, I have never crossed to any subject that is called public speaking in a practical way. Not in theory, but in a practical way. But we use public speaking everywhere. So here there are three reasons that I think that you should consider to run public speaking. Number one, I give you the list of those three reasons, and then I will explain one by one. So the number one reason why you should run public speaking, it is because in your life, somewhere, somehow, you will be asked to do it. Do you understand? This is the promise. I promise you, one time in your life, one time at one point in your life, someone somewhere will ask you to stand up and go there and speak. Here is the number one reason. At some point in your life, you will need to do it. It's a mandatory. You will need to stand up and speak. You will need to share your knowledge, your skills. You will need to stand up there and share your experience. You will need one time in your life to share the secret that you used to succeed, the mistake that you made, so other people cannot do the same mistake in their way of success. So one time in your life, they will ask you to speak. So another reason is public speaking. If you master public speaking, it will allow you to make a difference in your life, in business, in the community, and in your profession. So if you are good as a public speaker, if you are a good communicator, I guarantee you it will allow you to make a difference in your life, in your community, even in your business. So the number three, I'm sharing you the reason why you should learn public speaking. It is because public speaking will allow you to demonstrate your knowledge, to share your knowledge with others. So let me go maybe deep about this point so that maybe you can understand why you should learn public speaking. So here is the number one, as I have said, public speaking, like at one time in your life, you will be asked to speak. So why? Let's say maybe in your life, there is a way you will attend a meeting. I guarantee there is a way, I don't know when, but sometimes in your life, you will attend any meeting. Maybe it is a sales presentation. You are working somewhere, and then you may attend like the sales meeting and sales presentation. They will ask you to talk about the product and the service of your company where you are. So will you say no? No, of course you will stand and then share the benefit and of your service. In your life, maybe, in your profession, there is a way you can do what we call business proposal so that your company can make more money. So you do that in terms of speaking. You stand up there, you go there, you speak. So you do business proposal. Let's say maybe it is what I call the new product presentation. You go there, you present the product and the service of your company. What will you use? It's a public speaking. Let's say maybe they have selected you to be maybe the class representative, the community representative. What will you do? Some point you will be asked to stand and speak. Let us look maybe the customer demonstration. You go there, you talk to the customer. You show this is the product you have. If you take this product and the service from our company, it will allow you A, B, C, D. Now you talk about the benefit of your product, the benefit of your company. Okay, so in customer demonstration. Then let's do it in prayers. The people who like to pray. In your church, they will ask you, Benjamin, can you stand up and pray for us? That is a public speaking. You pray in public. So they will ask you to do that. And then let's go in club, in wedding ceremony. Everywhere, in school meeting. If you are a student, you will need to stand up and speak with your colleague. If you are a teacher, of course, the teachers at school, they always speak. But are they speaking in a professional way? So you need to master public speaking. That is why I was saying, why the number one reason you should learn public speaking, it is because everywhere you go, there is an audience for you. Now, you need to learn how you can speak and be connected with the audience because everyone is your audience. I hope you understand the point number one. So the reason number one you should learn public speaking, it is because everywhere you go, there is audience. You need to speak to those people. You need to communicate to them. So that is the number one reason. You will be asked, someone will ask you somewhere, somehow to stand up and speak. So that is the number one reason. So let's go to the reason number two. Okay, let's look at the reason number two. Why you should learn public speaking. Reason number two. It is because the public speaking will allow you to make a difference in your life, in business, in your community, and in your profession. What does it mean? Now, when you are a good public speaker, you get to make more money. I can guarantee you. I can't tell you how much money I have been paid to stand up and speak and address everything that I know and share to the audience. So you improve your life. In business, okay, you as every business owner, they are good public speaker. That is how they make more money. Because they know how to talk to the customer. They know how to talk to the media. They know how to address their speech. They know how to motivate and inspire their employees to make a difference in their company. So in business is based on speaking. How do we speak about our company, our product, how do we speak about the benefit of what we do in business? So if anyone who is in business, it is mandatory that he should be a speaker. He should learn how to speak, how to communicate. And now, let's do in the community. We know the people who have made the difference in the world. So in their communities, so they use their speaking as something that has taken, as something that has made them to dominate their community and make a difference in their community. In your profession, if you are a good public speaker, they are always room for you. There is always opportunity for you. So look at in your life now. There is something that public speaking can do for your life, in your business, in your community, and in your profession. One of these is you have to dominate You need to dominate one of these, and to do that is to be a good public speaker. So let's go to the reason number 3. So public speaking, which is our last reason why you should learn public speaking, it is because public speaking will allow you to demonstrate your knowledge, to share. Let's use maybe to share your knowledge. Any skills that you may have, any knowledge that if you can't share them with the others, it is useless. By sharing what you know with the others, what does it mean? People get to know you as expert. Public speaking will allow you to position yourself as expert, will allow you to dominate your industry, will allow you to get promotion, will allow you to make more money, will allow you to make a difference in the world, in your community, in the business. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you soon. If you need help, please join our courses. We have like a public speaking mastery training. Sometimes we ask you to pay just a little money, but if you join